Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 6, Session 2, Love Your Parents, Question Time. First question is write yes or no. Okay. A. Nipun had started the business himself. Yes or no? No. Okay, so write here no. B. It was Mother's Day. Was it a Mother's Day? No. So write here no. C. The little girl wanted to buy a big bouquet of flowers for her dead father. Yes or no? No. Okay. D. Nipun went to meet his parents after meeting the little girl. Yes or no? Yes, he went to meet his parents. Okay. E. The girl's father was not alive. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Question 2. Answer in one sentence. A. Why did Nipun ask the driver to drive fast? Yes, the answer is Nipun did not want to be late to office, so he asked the driver to drive fast. Question B. How did Nipun feel when he entered his office building? He felt proud. Okay. When he entered the office building. Okay. C. Why did Nipun thank his father? He thanked his father for the trust he had placed in Nipun. Question D. Why did Nipun stop at the florist? Nipun stopped at the florist because it was Father's Day and he wanted to send flowers for his father. Okay. Now come to the next question. E. Why could the little girl not buy a rose for her father? The answer is she was too poor and had no money. So she could not buy the rose for her father. Okay. F. Why did Nipun decide to go to his parents' house after buying the flowers? Yes, children, why do you think? Now let's see what is the answer. The little girl's sad words made Nipun realize that being with his father was more important than being attending a party is the correct answer. So write down. Okay. You also write these answers in your textbooks. Okay, children. Come to the next part. Time to think. Love for and devotion to parents is said to be a form of devotion to God. God is said to have created parents so that children can get the love and care which He cannot give directly. We also need to give love to our parents and show them we care for them. Do you ever show any disrespect to your parents? How do you feel afterwards? Make pairs. Discuss why we should love and respect our parents. Children, in this time to think section, it is just a recapitulation of the lesson. It has the points which were discussed in the lesson based on the value. The value which we have learned, that is, love your parents is like loving your God. Okay. Now, love and devotion to parents is said to have devotion to God. Okay, it is like a devotion to God, and God is said to have created our parents, and so that children can get love from them. Okay, and care which he cannot give directly. Okay, it is also said that God cannot be everywhere, so he had made mothers, or you can say parents. Okay, God cannot come everywhere with you. God cannot come everywhere with you. He cannot give you the care and love directly. Okay, so he had made parents. Okay, children. Now we also need to give love to our parents and show them care. So, have you ever disrespected to your parents? How do you feel afterwards? You have to describe any one incident or where you have shown disrespect to your parents. Okay, and you have thrown temper tantrums, disobeying or sulking them. Okay, showing sadness to them. Okay, and you should give reason also for that, and you yourself have to tell that why hurting your parents is not a good act. Okay, children, do this at your home yourself only. Okay, now next one, time for a reality check. Kavita is all packed up and excited. A school trip for class 4 is going to Munnar. Her parents have been given her permission to go. Her whole group of friends is also going. New clothes have been bought and much shopping done. Suddenly, her mother slips in the kitchen and fractures her right arm. The doctor plasters the arm and advises her mother to take complete rest for 3 weeks. Now here, children, in time for a reality check, it includes a situation-based exercise for you to apply the understanding of the value. And in this, it is said that Kavita had a school trip for class 4 and is going to Munnar. And her parents have also given permission for going to the trip. And she is packed up and excited. She is going for shopping, new clothes, and have brought it. Okay, and her whole group of friends is also going for that trip. But suddenly her mother slips in the kitchen and fractures her right arm. Okay, and the doctor plasters the arm and advises her mother to take complete rest for 3 weeks. Okay, now what has happened here, children? Will Kavita go for the trip or cancel going on trip? Now let's see what has happened here. Okay, Kavita does not know what to do. If she goes on the school trip, her mother will be alone and may have to use her arm. If she does not go, she she misses out all the fun. What should Kavita do? Work in groups and discuss whether Kavita should go or not. Use the points given below and add more points of your own. Kavita should go because she will miss an opportunity to see a new place. Second, a lot of preparation has already been made for the trip which will go waste. Now, what Kavita should not go because her mother will need her help as now she cannot use her right arm. Second one is, this is the time for Kavita to show that she loves her mother. Now children, I have read out the points for you. Why Kavita should go for the trip and why Kavita should not go for the trip. Okay. Now the diary time. Write what you would do if you were in Kavita's place and why. Write date here. Here you will write today's date. And today we spoke about showing our love for parents. If I were in Kavita's place, I would, see children, in my opinion, I will not go because my mother will need my help as now she cannot use her right arm. Okay, I will give reason like this. Okay, children. But what will you do? You write in your own words here. Okay, children. Now come to the next part. Your time. What will you do in the given situations? Tick the correct option. First one, it's your birthday. You are hoping that your dad will gift you the latest aeroplane toy. However, when you open the wrapper, you find a book in it. You are disappointed. What will you do? First option is given, hide your disappointment and thank him for going through the trouble of selecting a book. Second option given is, show your disappointment and tell him that you would have preferred a toy. Which option will you choose, children? Yes, I will choose this option. Hide your disappointment and thank him for going through the trouble of selecting a book. Okay, children. Now come to the next part. Second one, you have not done well in the exams. Your parents tell you to cancel all TV programs and parties for 1 month. What will you do? Understand they are doing this for your good. Think they are being mean and nasty to you and so create a tantrum. Do you think is correct, children? Yes. Understand they are doing this for your good is correct. So take it, okay? And you should not think that they are mean or nasty. Okay, and you should not create tantrum. You should behave with them politely and obey what they are saying, children. Okay, and you should not think negatively about them. Okay, I have told you, if parents are strict, then you should not be angry with them or think some negativity about them and show tantrum or be angry with them. Okay, children? Now come to the next part, put together. In the first box, make a list of 5 things you think your parents like and dislike. Hide your list by covering it with something. Now request your parents also to make a list of their likes and dislikes. Compare your list with theirs. Does it match? If it matches, you are an ideal son or daughter. If it doesn't, spend more time with your parents. Now this activity you have to do with your parents, you do it, okay, and you have to make list of 5 things which you think your parents like and dislike, okay, and hide your list by covering it, okay, and now tell them to write your parents likes and dislikes, and if it matches with each other, then you know your parents very well, okay children, and if it does not matches, you have to spend some more time with your parents to know about them, okay children. Now children, here I have come to the end of our session. Thank you.